How to make a GTA game. Just follow along. Step 1. Get $1 billion. And if somehow you don't have it, then try committing tax fraud. I heard it works. Step 2. Hire a bunch of people and make them sign slave contracts so they work day and night to make game for you. Remember, stable working hours are a lie and a concept invented by haters. You need to hustle and bustle, baby. Step 3. Make giant maps but give almost no interior to explore. This is an important one. Step 4. Create the most mentally dysfunctional characters possible. Sanity is not something we need. More bizarre, more fun. Step 5. Give your characters such a cutscene that people say, WTF.
Ah! Fuck!
Step 6. Give players an insane amount of freedom. If they want to commit in-game genocide, let them be. If they want to run over pedestrians, let them be. But, don't add kids to the game because all the organizations will sue you for eternity. Step 7. Leak your game. After your game is almost complete, it's time that you pay some broke college student to leak some footage of your game. This will help generate some hype while your hand stays clean. Step 8. Never publicly mention that you are making a GTA game until everyone forgets about it. Now that your game is ready, you need to make people desperate, make them act like junkies, and suddenly release the trailer, which will make people go mad. Step 9. Wait 2 years before releasing the actual game. Yup. You need to make players and your hardcore fans starve and wait another 2 years because that would keep them your slaves. Keep leaking game about every 2 or 3 months because hype is necessary, and boom profit all the way.